Before the actual lesson, I will be providing several types of differentiated instruction for the students who need them. Here's a list of how students will be grouped for this lesson. Good morning, boys and girls. Let's review pictographs. First, I want you to draw a circle map, just like this one. Inside the small circle, write the word pictograph. I wrote the word pictograph for you just in case you need help with the spelling. You have 2 minutes to write down everything you know about pictographs. Your time starts now. Now I want you to share with your partner. I'll give you 1 minute. We are going to use equity cards and I will call on students and you will tell me one thing you know about pictographs. I'm going to record your responses on the board. Okay, let's see who's the lucky person. Jose, name one thing you know about pictographs.
Pictographs use key icons.
Good. Class, I drew a pictograph for you. Let's talk about the parts of a pictograph. Okay, first name the title for me. Diego? Yep. Favorite fruit is the title of our pictograph. Let me label that title. Okay, now name the 3 categories for this pictograph.
Apples, grapes, and bananas.
Okay, so apple, grapes, banana. These are our categories for this pictograph. Okay. What is the symbol for a key?
Happy face.
Happy face is correct. And the value is equal to 1. Okay? This value is very, 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 very important part of the pictograph. We use this key value to figure out the total amount for each category. For example, the key value for the happy face is equivalent to 1. So we can count by ones to figure out the total number of votes for apple. 1 vote, 2 votes, 3 votes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, there were 10 people who voted for apples. It's equal to 10 votes. And we do the same for the grapes and banana. So, how many people voted for grapes? Okay?
5.
5 votes. 1 vote, 2 votes, 3, 4, 5 votes. Last, how many people voted for bananas?
3.
3 votes. 1 vote, 2 votes, 3 votes. It's equal to 3 votes. Class, thumbs up if you understand what key value represents. Thumbs down if you don't understand. Okay, Valeria, ask me your question. Class, I'm going to change the key value to 2. Okay? What would happen to these vote totals for each fruit? I'm going to give you 1 minute to think about it. If you have an answer, thumb on your chest. Make sure that you can explain your answer to me or to the whole class. Valeria, tell me what is the new total votes for the apples? 20. Can you please tell me how you got that answer? Oh, you counted by 2s. Let's try that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You're right. The new vote total for the apples is 20. Is there another way to figure out the right answer? Isaiah, Oh, you multiplied 10 happy faces times 2? Good job, Isaiah. You can do it that way as well. 10 times 2 equals 20. Let's do grapes. Let's do bananas. Class, the learning goal for today is your group will create a scaled pictograph using a given tally chart and identify an appropriate value other than 1 for the key icon. You will do 2 things today. First, your group will create a pictograph using the information on the tally chart and the key icon. Then, you will figure out a value for the key icon that can be divided into each category amount. Remember, on this assignment, the key value cannot be 1. Let me repeat that again. Remember, for this assignment, the key value cannot be 1. Show me with your finger what key icon value you cannot use for this assignment. Tell your partner what the math learning goal is for today. Mia, can you tell the class what the math learning goal is for today? Thumbs up if you agree with Mia. Thumbs down if you disagree with Mia. The purpose of a pictograph. A pictograph organizes and shows information using pictures, so you can understand the information better. Class, remember a posted copy of how to create a pictograph is on the math wall. If you want your own copy, take one from my desk. Boys and girls, please read the math prompt quietly. Thumb on your chest as soon as you are done. Jessica, please read the math prompt for the whole class. Okay, boys and girls, your group will choose a tally chart from the 2 choices, standard versus challenge. You can choose the standard one, but if your group wants to be challenged, then choose the challenge one. Okay, here's the standard tally chart. Now let's take a look at the challenge tally chart. Now you and your group will decide which one you would like to use. I am providing you with a checklist for you to use when creating your pictograph, so you know what the expectations are for this math prompt. If you are ready to work with your group, you may do so now. If you still have questions, please stay with me. This is how instruction will be differentiated during group activity. Here is a list of potential guiding questions I'll be asking during collaborative work. Now we are going to do our group presentation. I will select 2 groups to present their work. The rest of the class will analyze the work and may either ask a question or make a statement about the solution. You will justify your thinking whenever you agree or disagree. Boys and girls, we are now going to watch a video on how to create a pictograph. I want you to compare your pictograph to the one on the video to see if the pictograph you have created with your group is correct, or if you need to make any corrections. This will be your ticket out the door. Here's a few summative assessments for this topic.